Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is the predicted paper for the GCSE Maths Higher taking place this week. So I just wanted to go over some predicted questions and questions that may come up in your exams. So the first question reads, write 36.5 times 10 to the power of minus 2, and it's worth 1 mark. So we know for us to work this out, for us to write in standard form, the number needs to be between 1 and 10. So what I can do is I can divide 36.5 by 10, take it down to 3.65. And because the number's getting smaller, it goes from minus 2 to 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, so now the figure or the number is between 1 and 10, and that is in standard form. So it would be 3.65 times 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, and that's it. That's number 1. And if you did that, you'd get 1 mark. Number 2, write the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 3x minus 2. So that's quite straightforward. So if we take, for example, y equals 3x plus c, we can have any value for c. So it could be, if it's minus 2 here in the equation, we can do, for example, let's say y equals 3x plus 2. So instead of minus 2, plus 2. And that line would be parallel to y equals 3x minus 2. So that is what you would do for question number 2. Easy 1 mark. And question number 3, work out the value of 1.5 squared. Write your answer as a decimal. So we know 1.5 squared. To work this out, what do we do? If a number is squared, all we do 1.5 times 1.5. Now, that's the same as 15 times 15. Okay, so I already know, 15 times 15, I believe, is 225, right? So again, that's some quick mental maths, and it's something that you can use. Now, if it's 225 and we've got 1.5 times 1.5, all I do to this answer is I divide it. Okay, so 225 divided by 100. And remember, it goes back 2 decimal spaces. So your answer would be 2.25. So your final answer, 2.25. So again, this is something that could come up in the exam. Now, what I'll do is I'll share some of the possible questions, just a random selection. And remember, it's not guaranteed that exact question will come up, but it's a good idea to practice these questions for your exam. So have a look at it. You may want to take a screenshot and have a go at it in preparation for your exam. So this is a 4-mark question. Okay, you've got a word problem. Look at the key facts and you can have a go at this in preparation for your exam. This is another question. It's a 4-mark question that you can attempt in preparation for your exams. And then you, of course, will have some algebra questions. So remember the rules of indices, adding the powers and multiplying, etc. And then part B and then part C as well. So these are questions that always come up, and you'll be surprised how students make silly mistakes with these questions. So make sure you don't get this question wrong. And these questions to do with volume, again, to those of you who have done past papers, something like this could appear in your exams. Okay, so that's something for you to remember. And here is another question for you to practice in preparation for your exam. So it's just to give you an idea of some possible questions that may come up. So have a go at it in preparation for your exams. So I hope you found this video informative, and it's something that you can practice in preparation for your exams. And yeah, I hope you can subscribe, like and share, as we have plenty more exciting videos coming up. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms, on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube at Easy Education London. If you want to join our amazing online classes, do consider joining using the link below. You can visit our website www.easyeducationlondon.com, where you can book your classes and get started today. Thank you for watching.